dito, uy.
Ayaw na da kay hugo ng tubig diha.
Wala ron eh.
Ay, supog dili. Very lots of laundry, guys. Laundry here, laundry there. Because when you go to the laundry shop, it costs a lot. Costs a lot of money to pay, guys. So the money I spend for laundry is for food.
Sakit di ito. Masakit na itong puon. Kaya
Kawayan.
kawayan.
Ay, must be wash day after walking because a lot of laundry from Monday to Saturday. Oh, this is how I wash. I don't have washing machine. Sir R send me some super thanks. Makmak is here beside me. Don't know how to help. You brush like that so the dirt will go away.
Bisa ko kabo ma.
Dirt like this. Sir R, look. How did I wash? Sunday is my wash day. Monday to Friday is school with my son. If the dirt is not going out, hello, Ewan Pigeon. Hi. Shout out. I'm doing my laundry. Where's my brush? Laba lagi, madam. Yeah. We always ilis-ilis, palit-palit damit. So you were clean, you need to wash. You don't want to get a bad smell in your body. So you have to wash.